Filmmakers, travelers, and enthusiasts have all been waiting to get drones and bring in a new perspective to their storytelling. However, till now, there has been no way to do it openly and legally in India. That changes today, thankfully to the new drone policy brought in by the Director General of Civil Aviation, which will be effective from December of this year. The regulations surrounding the use of a remotely piloted aircraft were rather grey up till now. Now the rules are made according to the weight of the drone, and those are broken down in 5 categories, namely nano drones for up to 250 grams, micro drones for up to 2 kilograms, small drones for up to 25 kilograms, medium drones for up to 150 kilograms, and large drones for drones weighing more than 150 kilograms. Nano drone operators do not need any extra formalities and can be used out of the box. For every other category, the operator needs to do a one-time registration. The exact steps will be linked below. Once that is done, each time a person wants to fly the drone, will have to request permission, which can be done via an app. Based on the flight path and a few other parameters, permissions will be accepted or denied on the spot. Drone Regulations 1.0 emphasized on the point of no permission, no flying. So it's better to always acquire the due permissions beforehand. Drones will not be allowed within 5 kilometers of airports and other important government buildings, military establishments, and the international borders for obvious reasons. The major caveat of this new policy is that most drones that people will want to use will fall under the micro category. For example, the entire lineup from DJI. And the drones which are exempted from the formalities, aka the nano drones, are practically toy drones with little power and no cameras. Anyway, we are glad that the government has finally taken the first step towards the legalization of drones, and we hope for new advancements as time passes by.